the party is going up. Shake that, work that, move that, yeah. She a good girl, but you know she bad though. 1 time, 2 times, she can, oh yeah.
Hey besties, it's your favorite Libra shopaholic fangirl and bad bitch, and today we are back with another video. Today, I'm going to be telling you guys my secrets and tips to being a baddie on a budget. I used to be that girl that splurged. Oh my god, my cat. I used to splurge on literally everything, whether it be nails, hair, outfits, clothes, makeup, everything. But then I started adulting. And then I started paying bills like rent and everything, car issues. I'm gonna show you guys how I still am a baddie, but just on a budget. Step number 1 is gonna be clothes and bags. You're probably gonna be tired of this, but you need to hear it. Go to the fucking thrift store. You will hit the jackpot and find some good shit, but on a budget. Let me tell you a little hack that I do. Not even a little hack, but this is what I do to get like my wardrobe and things. I have so many just like cute statement pieces, and that's because I get my basics from H&M, Forever 21, most of the fast fashion places. Basics as in like my plain tees or my tights, leggings. I literally get all of my basics from those places. But as for actual bags, shoes, jackets, and accessories, I have to thrift them because that's what really makes an outfit. When I tell you guys, I've found Von Dutch bags at the thrift store. I found Christian Dior bags at the thrift store. Countless and countless of Juicy Couture bags at the thrift store. So it's definitely worth it. Even if you just step in and do a loop around, you just never know what you're gonna find. And if you don't want to thrift, then go on Depop, because there are sellers out there like myself that don't just care about tripling or quadrupling the fucking price and making a profit. Me personally, I put stuff on Depop when I simply don't wear it anymore. Like, once I get a good wear out of this, I'm gonna put it on Depop. TJ Maxx, Burlington, Ross, and all of those places are gonna be your best friends. I went to Diddy's Discounts and I saw so many cute baby tees. When I tell you I went in there, walked out with like 6-7 baby tees and only spent $30. Literally prices of like cheaper than the thrift store. I can go in the thrift store and spend $50 now without even thinking I'm spending $50. But I went in there and got so many shirts. Most of the shirts are like $3.99, $4.99, and that's just literally how you be a baddie on a budget. I don't know what to tell you. Okay, the next thing we're gonna be talking about, which is the second category, and that is makeup. When I was down bad, I needed a new foundation and I could not spend $50 on a foundation. I personally use Maybelline Fit Me foundation. When I tell you, it's kind of unfortunate because I really do like how it looks on me better than what I use now, which is NARS. I actually do like the Maybelline foundation better than NARS. The only thing is it doesn't stay on. That's definitely a perfect foundation for if you're on a budget, because I loved my makeup. I'm gonna try to find a picture. I loved my makeup when I used to do it with my cheap products, and now that I have like the more expensive products, in my opinion, my makeup does not look better, but it does stay on and look like, you know, I have like lights on me. So, and since I do my makeup so early because I do my videos so early, so I like to have it on all day to feel like I got my worth out of my makeup, if that makes sense. I don't know. Maybelline Fit Me foundation, you have the LA Pro concealer, and that's what I have on right now, the LA Pro concealer, because I had the Too Faced concealer that I was wearing with the NARS, but I was looking at my old picture and I was like, fuck, I used to beat the fuck out of my face with those cheap ass products. So I decided to like mix my expensive with my cheap, and I have the LA Pro concealer on right now. Another thing you can do is like splurge on one contour palette, and that's I remember buying this, I don't know if it was Anastasia like palette. I don't know what it was back then. It was an Anastasia palette, but it had everything on there. It had the contour on there, it had the highlighter on there, and I feel like instead of buying like the foundation, I guess a contour stick and a highlighter stick, buying it all separately literally for $40 each, spend $40 on a good contour palette. Another, like with your lips, let me tell you, I do not spend a lot of money on lip products at all. I go to my local beauty supply store, and if you're like not from the hood, go to the hood beauty supply store and stock up on lip gloss. Crystal Kiss lip gloss, and I've been using that since middle school because my mom used to use it, so I just use it because she taught me about that gloss, and I wore it in middle school and I still wear it to this day, and I worked at Ulta before. I've tried so many lip glosses. Nothing can compare to that $1.99 lip gloss that I've always just worn since middle school. Okay, the next thing we're going to talk about is fragrances. In my opinion, you can have your cute fit on, you can have your face beat, you can have your hair done, but without a fragrance to tie it all together, it's truly not done. So I have pink hair. I have a very bubbly, cutesy personality. That sounds so icky, I guess. And so when I walk past somebody, I like to smell like candy. I like to smell like fruit. I like to smell sweet. So I always used to. I found my signature scent now. But before then, I used to always get pink sugar because I just feel like that is just so me in a bottle. Like, literally, look at me, babes. That's me in a bottle. Drive your butt down to TJ Maxx and get those fragrances. All of the fragrances are most likely going to be $9.99 and the highest $15. I stock up on all of my fragrances from TJ Maxx. Another thing I would do is wait until Christmas until those sample fragrance things comes out. They have this what is it, Ulta and Sephora, they have these sample packages that comes out with all the fragrances, and I would literally buy one of those. And those, I'm not gonna lie, those are pretty expensive. You can get some for like, I think at Ulta it's a little bit cheaper. At Ulta it's like $40, and at Sephora you get like a better package with more fragrances and it's $80. But I guarantee you it's worth it. Ask for it for Christmas, that way it'll be freaking free. And literally just sample all of your, like all of the fragrances so you can see which one you like, instead of, you know, and like actual wear it and wear it throughout the day. See how long it lasts, see how it smells when you're wearing it for like a minute, instead of like going to a fragrance shop and spraying it and smelling it in that moment. Every time I do that, y'all, I don't know what it be, I don't know if they be lying to me. Every time I go to a fragrance shop and I sample a bunch of perfumes and it smells so good in the store, but when I get it and start wearing it, it does not smell like that. A lot of people don't know this, but when you get the fragrance packages, you can, it comes with a free actual fragrance. Like, it tells you on the package, once you decide which one you want, you can literally go in and get one of those for free. So for $80 you get all the samplers, you get to wear it, you get to smell it, see how you like what, and you also get a full-size version for free. And then if you get it for Christmas, then all of it is free. The next thing we're gonna talk about is nails. I'm gonna start off by telling you guys that these are press-ons. These are press-ons. These are press-ons from Ulta. The brand is OPI. For $11, honey. And I've had these on for about a week and they're still on. They haven't done anything. They're like completely perfect if you're working and stuff. I'm a cashier at a place, so all I do is like, you know, just touch things all day, and they stay on pretty well. I really like them. But me personally, if you've watched my videos in the past, you know I am a long XL stiletto coffin girly. I love nails, babe. I will spend $120, $150 on my nails and not blink an eye. And that's where the problem comes in at. I couldn't even tell y'all how much I spend on my nails a year. But just like I said, with bills and everything, sometimes you just cannot do that. Like at the moment, Mama is not getting her nails done because I am saving up for a trip, and I will get my nails done for that trip, but I decided to skip a month so that I can just get my nails freshly done on that trip. So with that being said, this is my first time even trying press-ons. I tried these press-ons first and foremost because I just want to look presentable. You know, I just feel like I just feel way better when either my nails are done, and like even if I don't have my makeup, lip gloss, nails done, hair at least be done, and I feel like, okay, you're put together, you look cute. So I got these press-ons for just like when I do my videos, I use my hands a lot, so I wanted to look cute, but also for research purposes for this video, because I never even use press-ons, and obviously they have longer versions. And since I like press-ons so much, I'm like, fuck, am I gonna be a press-on girly now? And I also just feel like being a baddie on a budget can also mean you just choosing one thing to splurge on. So say for instance, I choose to splurge on my hair that month. I buy me a wig. My wig is expensive, about $200. Or I get my hair done, which is also about $200. So getting your real hair done is still not even being a baddie on a budget, because going to a salon is fucking more expensive than buying a wig nowadays. So say for instance, I splurge on my hair for that month or whatever. I would probably get press-ons. I probably won't shop for clothes. I probably won't shop for fragrances. I normally choose one thing to splurge on, and that one thing I splurge on is usually my nails. And I buy my wigs. My wigs last a good few months. I bought this wig like 2 months ago, and I normally don't have to buy another wig for a minute. So this wig will probably last me like 2 more months, and I won't have to buy another wig until like the winter, December type beat. So I normally just choose one thing I'm gonna splurge on. We're gonna go into the last thing, and I put hair last because, you know, everybody's different. Everybody's hair is different. Some girls wear their real hair, which I wish I could manage my real hair with all. I got my real hair done for the first time because me, I'm an impulsive bitch. I can wake up tomorrow morning and be like, I'm gonna shave my hair. Yeah, let's go do that. I'm gonna go shave my hair. And I will do it. No hesitation, no, with nobody's opinion. I do what the fuck I wanna do. So everybody's different, and that's why I put hair different. Like, obviously wigs. If you wanna be a baddie on a budget, synthetic wigs are always the way to go. I felt like the baddest bitch ever in my synthetic wig era. Obviously, it's annoying because like with synthetic wigs, they do get tangled and they do fuck up. So you're gonna need a new synthetic wig like every 3 weeks, every month. That's the only thing about synthetic wigs. But they are really cute if you wanna be a baddie. Like if you have a trip, go buy that synthetic wig. That wig will definitely last you that trip, if anything. With this, I think this wig was like $70, and like I said, it's gonna last me a few months. I wanna start going to the salon whenever my hair grows out, because like I told y'all, I impulsively shaved my head. So I'm waiting for my hair to grow back so I can start going to the salon, because I feel like the salon is just such a luxurious experience, and I just miss it because I used to go all the time as a kid. Also, braids. Braids, everything is expensive nowadays. Getting my hair braided costs about the same as a wig, so I feel like I just choose my battles. I just choose my battles. I tend to not get braids because I feel like it limits my look. Yeah, y'all, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you like it, make sure you leave a thumbs up and a comment down below. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. My social media will be down below, so make sure you check me out on that. And yeah.